Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Citibank online account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website right here at citi.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. You can even do it from your mobile phone. You can go ahead and download the Citibank application and then you can open it up. It's going to greet you with the same homepage from where we can get started. And now guys, here as you can see in the main page, we can get started logging in. But if you do not already have a Citibank account and you want to create one, this is how we can do so easily by clicking open an account. Now there are two ways. The first way is if you are not even a part of the bank, you can click open an account. But if you already have an account and you just want to activate it online, is to click the activate button right here. By clicking activate, it's going to take you to the next page where you can get started with Citibank online activation by entering your credit or debit card number and then continuing with the process to activate your online account. But if you don't even have a credit card, you can click open an account. This is now going to enable you to go and choose if you want a checking account, savings account, or whichever type of account that you want. From there, you can get started by clicking open an account. That's going to enable you to go ahead and get started completing all the steps. You're going to go and be able to provide all the info and details that you need and regular information so that your account is ready. And once you have set it up and you have followed the procedure, you can now get started with logging in with your new account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.